Are you looking for the most fun things to do at Universal Studios Florida theme park? Well, look no further. Today, I have the 27 things that you must do on your vacation. You know how I like to do it, so let's just jump right in. Number 1 is Halloween Horror Nights. I know. I would be remiss if the first thing on this extensive list wasn't HHN. Is there anything Universal Studios is better known for besides Potter? I think not. Halloween Horror Nights is definitely one of the most anticipated events that Universal Studios Florida puts on each and every year. And here it consists of 10 different very scary haunted houses, 5 sinister scare zones, incredible entertainment, and the most spooky but delectable food for you to try on your trip. Number 2 is have a party with the Blues Brothers. Yes, here you can party with the famous Chicago band's most classic tunes that they perform in the New York area of Universal Studios. The show lasts about 15 minutes and it has been one of the oldest shows here at Universal. It's modeled after the film The Blues Brothers, which was released in the 1980s, and they usually have show times from around 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. depending on the day and the weather. So definitely sit back, enjoy the classic jazz music, the soul of the saxophone, and the signature dark outfits, complete with the famous hats and glasses that the Blues Brothers are known for. Number 3 is do the MIB immigration tour or the Men in Black immigration tour. Now, many people may know that Starbucks has a secret menu, right? We all know that. Well, did you know that Universal Studios has secret opportunities too? And the only way to get them is to ask for them. And sure, you've most likely been on one of our favorite attractions, which is the Men in Black Alien Attack. But have you ever done the MIB immigration tour? It's inspired by the film known as Men in Black. Something special that Universal does is giving you the chance to go backstage on short 10-minute tours of a select amount of their attractions. And the best part of this is that they're free. You simply just need to go to a team member outside of that attraction, such as Men in Black Alien Attack, and ask them if they are offering the immigration tour at that time. If not, when it's the best time to come back for it. Some days they do, some days they don't. Most of the time they don't do it if it's an extremely busy day, but if it's like a chill day at Universal, they may be offering it. Some of the other tours that you can find this on are on attractions such as Revenge of the Mummy, the Jimmy Fallon Race 3 New York attraction, and Velocicoaster. Just know that is not something that's public and that it can be moments where they are not doing it for a season. Just go up and ask because it doesn't hurt for asking. Number 4 is to watch the Bourne Stuntacular. Now, if you're a Jason Bourne fan, there is absolutely no way you will skip this. The famous franchise, the Bourne series, made billions at the box office. And now Universal Studios has brought a live stunt show to the park inspired by this series. Even if you're not a fan of the franchise, you'll find yourself blown away by the intense and impressive stunts performed in this Stuntacular. This 20-minute show packs in car crashes, car chases, special effects, and even a light mist of water. So expect the unexpected on the Stuntacular. Number 5 is to try every Butterbeer. Oh my goodness, this is probably one of the best things you can do at Universal Studios. Harry Potter fans near and far, you are in for such a treat. When you're visiting the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, you can actually try Butterbeer in real life. It tastes exactly like you probably have imagined it would when you were reading those books or watching the films for the first time. The fun part about Universal's Butterbeer is that there are so many ways for you to try it out. You can try cold butterbeer, hot butterbeer. You can even get your butterbeer frozen. You can get ice cream butterbeer, fudge butterbeer. Yes, they have a lot to choose from. So make sure you try at least 2 of them on your Universal Florida trip. Number 6 is to watch the Beat Builders. As you're exiting the New York area and entering San Francisco, you might hear unique music and rhythm sounds, and that would be the Beat Builders. So you may be asking, what are the Beat Builders? They are a quote-unquote construction crew who make excellent percussion beats into a performance. With the scaffolding behind them and their construction equipment used as instruments, they really do build the beat literally. So don't miss the beat builders at Universal Studios. Number 7 is to look for Diagon Alley secrets. Yes, we have another Harry Potter feature on this list. So let's go over a few of the magical secret opportunities that you can look for in Diagon Alley. Be sure to go to the number 12 Grimmauld Place and just look at the window and just wait for that famous elf to peek through the window named Creature. You know, the one who was always giving us trouble in the book. Don't forget to go over to the English phone, go inside and dial 62442, which spells out magic, to hear the Ministry of Magic special message just for you. These are just a few of the secrets you can find in Diagon Alley. We have more over on ThemeParkHipster.com. Number 8 is to adopt a pygmy puff. This is for those Harry Potter fans. If you know what a pygmy puff is, then you know. They're one of the cutest creatures in the wizarding world of Harry Potter. And once you purchase your own pygmy puff at the counter, you can ask a team member if they'll perform an adoption ceremony. If they agree, all the guests inside Wizards Weasley will all of a sudden be asked to please turn while they announce the new owner of a pygmy puff. I think that's so cool. Now, if it's a busy day, I can't guarantee this, but like I said earlier, doesn't hurt to ask and try. Number 9 is to ride Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit and pick out a secret song. So when you get on the Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit, you know this ride is filled with twists and turns and goes super fast and is super tall. But did you know that you can choose songs outside of the ones that they give you rolling on the list? Some of the secret songs include Free Bird by Leonard Skinner. The number 10 thing to do at Universal Studios is to grab a Harry Potter beverage and hop on Hogwarts Express. This is one of the most classic and overall best things to do at Universal Studios Florida, as you can enjoy an enchanting magical ride from Diagon Alley to Hogsmeade via the Hogwarts Express with your Butterbeer and feel as if you are truly a Hogwarts student returning back for fall semester. Just don't forget that you will be required to have a park-to-park ticket for both Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure on the same day if you want to ride the Hogwarts Express. Number 11 is to indulge in a delicious crepe at Central Park Crepes. Now, you should know that not every quick service counter at a theme park is going to be delicious, and I'll be the first to admit that. But here's the thing, you haven't tasted a theme park crepe until you tasted one at Central Park Crepes. It's a fairly new spot that opened in 2020, and ever since then, they are always serving up a medley of both sweet and savory crepes. And the line is there to prove it when everyone's trying to get that delicious snack at Universal Orlando. My favorite crepe here is the brisket one, but honestly, you can't go wrong with any of the options on the menu. Number 12, smell the forest scene in E.T. I'm so sorry to inform you that around late 2022, Universal did change the scent a bit. It's a lot stronger and it still has that famous pine smell, and I enjoy it. Some people are not really a fan of it, but I think it's a great smell, and I just like to reminisce of experiencing that ride as a kid. So definitely don't skip E.T. Adventure and just take in that incredible pine smell. Number 13 is to do a VIP tour. Now, one of the ultimate best things to do at Universal Studios is this tour. But I'm gonna warn you, once you do a Universal Orlando VIP tour, you're not gonna wanna do the park the regular way. I'm just gonna tell you. Essentially, the VIP tour is an ultra behind the scenes backstage pass that's guided with a team member. The tour guide will give you exclusive secret information, and you'll get to see some areas that regular guests don't get to see. The best part of being a VIP is the free VIP parking, the ability to skip the lines on almost all of the Universal Studios attractions and rides. You heard that right. Imagine that your VIP experience is an express pass for almost every single ride. I mean, what could be better for that? There are also certain meals that are included within your tour for that day, as well as discounts. And at the end of the tour, your tour badge is used as an express pass pass in case you want to go hit up some rides later that day that you enjoyed on your VIP tour. Number 14 is to have a flaming Moe. And if you enjoyed The Simpsons, then you absolutely have to stop by Flaming Moe's, a drink counter located in the Springfield section of Universal Studios, and grab that Flaming Moe drink for yourself. Although it's alcoholic on the show, this drink does not have alcohol in it. That makes it more family friendly, and it's just a great photo op and a great video for you to post on your favorite social media channel. Number 15 is to watch the Universal Studios parades. Universal Studios knows how to put on a parade, and during select holiday seasons, there will be seasonal parades that occur in the park. Some of my favorite are the Mardi Gras parade and the Universal Holiday Parade featuring Macy's, which feels like the Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade that we all love watching every holiday. Number 16 is to have a big pink donut. If you're a fan of The Simpsons, you'll definitely recognize the Big Pink. It's a deliciously frosted, sprinkled donut that is famous for being at that large lad donut shop that, you know, Homer and all the Simpson people love eating at. So definitely grab one for yourself. Number 17 is to have ice cream from Schwab's Pharmacy. Now, I'm a pharmacist, so I had to add this one to the list. When you go there, it has a retro atmosphere, kind of like the days of yesterday, with incredible desserts that make you feel as if you stepped back in time. It's located in the Hollywood area, and you can pick up your favorite flavor of a sundae. Go outside, they have little areas for you to sit and just people watch while you're enjoying your ice cream at Universal Studios. Number 18 is to visit the NBC archives in the Jimmy Fallon attraction. Some of us can say that the Jimmy Fallon Race to New York attraction is hit or miss, but what I really like about it is the actual queue. I like the queue that people don't really pay attention to. I think it's underrated for most because I don't really hear much people talking about it, but it's decorated to look like an actual studio, an NBC studio. And while you're there, you get to see some of the archival footage, props, and actual apparel that the camera talent wore during their time at NBC. It's a great place for you to just walk around, take a break from the heat, and get some of your favorite photos. Number 19 is to visit the Quickie Mart. Now, Simpsons fans, you must recognize this place from that TV show. This is the #1 place for you to get your favorite Simpsons themed merchandise, including awesome sweatshirts, t-shirts, magnets, and a ton of other awesome souvenirs such as Duff beer cans. I love coming here. It's such a cool store at Universal Studios Florida. Number 20 is to go out there and meet the best movie characters, because at Universal Studios Florida, there are tons of character meet and greets and opportunities in the park. And while you're there at Universal Studios, be sure to check out Shrek and his friends, SpongeBob, Marilyn Monroe, and so much more. They are constantly roaming around the parks. You can even see the Simpsons there as well. Number 21 is to play games in Springfield with the Simpsons. Now, when you go over to Springfield, USA and Universal Studios Orlando, it feels like you've truly stepped into an episode of The Simpsons. Now, a super fun but often overlooked part of Springfield, USA is the Midway Games area. It's a fun place to relax, chill, have some fun, let your hair down, compete with your friends and family, and take home one of your favorite souvenirs from the Simpsons franchise. Number 22 is to party at Mardi Gras. I love Mardi Gras at Universal Studios as they put on a fun international party for everyone to participate in. It's similar to spending time in New Orleans for Mardi Gras and going to your favorite carnival in one of the Caribbean islands. You can also think of this as a party version of Epcot's Food and Wine Festival, but you get incredible celebrity acts that come in and perform. You get great drinks, a fantastic parade, and an opportunity to be on the parade float, which, I mean, what theme park is doing that? It's incredible. Number 23 is to visit Universal Orlando during Christmas, because Universal Studios Florida at Christmas time is everything. You'll want to head over to Islands of Adventure to experience Grinchmas. But the treat, like I said earlier, is the Universal Holiday Parade featuring Macy's. It is one of the best Christmas parades in America that you absolutely cannot miss at Universal. Number 24 is to have chicken and waffles at Cletus Chicken Shack. This is one of my favorite places to get a cheap snack, something quick to eat that leaves me feeling satisfied, and it actually tastes good. Number 25 is to visit the SpongeBob Store Pants store. I love it here because it's so unique. You get to actually go inside SpongeBob's house, but on top of that, you get some of the coolest SpongeBob merchandise, and you get to meet SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward right outside of the store. So it's just a great location to come, chill, grab some souvenirs, and meet some of your favorite characters. Number 26 is to chat with Optimus Prime. Yes, that's right. Optimus Prime will chat with you. There is a meet and greet outside of the Transformers, and you'll see Optimus Prime there throughout the day, taking photos with guests, talking to them, and I just love doing this. It's so much fun. Number 27, and you know I had to do this, is to take that solo trip to Universal. Boo, 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 boo. Yes, that's my, I had to throw that in there because I know we've talked about a plethora of things, but there's nothing like taking that once in a lifetime trip, solo trip, going along to Universal Studios Florida. And you know, at Theme Park Hipster, I'm all about going to theme parks by yourself, exploring it, doing the things that you love to do, and not having to worry about if someone's not trying to do something with you, or if you're a people pleaser and you just want to make everyone happy. No, this is your time to do what you want to do on your trip. And let me inspire you to take that leap this year and have at least one visit to one of your favorite theme parks like Universal Studios by yourself. I'm here to make your trip the best it can possibly be, solo or not. And until next time, happy park hopping hipsters.